Hello, I'm Carolyn Herbert from the Finance News Network, and joining me from Volpara Health Technologies is Chief Commercial Officer Mark Koeniguer. Mark, welcome to FNN.
Thank you for having me today.
Now, Mark, you head up Volpara's sales division. Can you tell us about the team, distribution channels and market response?
Certainly. So, after our most recent round of capital raise, it's allowed us to do a couple of things with our breast imaging company. Number one, we've been able to move from a density-only company to a Volpara Enterprise. So we've launched a new product into the market, and that market is focused on the quality assurance around breast imaging. And that allows three things in value proposition for our customers. Number one, it looks at every image and provides analytics for every breast image coming from the gantry system. Two, it looks at all the assets within the department and provides analytics on those as feedback to the breast imaging manager. And finally, it does take a look at the staff efficiency over time. The second thing it's allowed us to do is really go direct with our sales team. So we've hired a direct team in the United States, and we combine that with strong partners like GE Healthcare and Siemens Healthcare.
So Mark, what's the average spend per clinic and what is the recurring revenue?
So, we look at this from an overall subscription model or a SaaS model, and we charge based upon a subscription per person. And we set it up where there's a base fee for the license, number one. Number two, there's charges for the number of features they buy, and there's also a volume component. The average spend is roughly $50,000 per center, and there's roughly 8,700 centers in the United States, which is our focus market.
And for the benefit of shareholders, how long does a sale take from, say, the first meeting to actual implementation?
Yeah, so it depends on the size of the center. Some are privately owned, and those typically are between 3 and 4 months. For a more complex sale within a health system or a hospital system, it can take anywhere between 6 and 9 months.
So Mark, what were the sales for the December quarter and what are you targeting for the year?
Certainly. So, we launched this new Volpara Enterprise product in July of 2016. And since that point in time, we've achieved $42,000 a month in recurring revenue, $500,000 in annual recurring revenue, and $2.9 million in total contract value.
And finally, Mark, what's the priority for you and the sales team over the next 6 to 12 months?
Yeah, so we're highly focused on the market overall, and we just want to achieve overall growth. Additionally, we're going to be launching Enterprise 2.0, which brings a lot of additional value, and specifically for the technologist within the breast imaging center.
Mark Koeniguer, thanks for the update.
Thank you.